There are 2 enemies. Now's your chance. Run!
And it's going. Almost done with the game. Can't wait to put it down. I can't wait to finish this.
Okay, I'll look for an Now's your chance. Run!
I said it before, if for whatever reason Persona Revival, out of like some sick twisted joke, ends up like coming out in the next month or so, I don't know if I'll be able to enjoy it fully. I'm a little bit burnt out on this. And by this, I mean this game in particular. This game is definitely pretty rough around the edges when it comes down to what it wants from you to complete for 100%. And it's not even like it's difficult, it's just outright tedious getting the skill cards. And then doing the I think the resave lines is probably what broke me. Doing the lines is just genuinely not fun. Yeah. The only thing that I have to do in this playthrough is that I have to make it to the very final day of the game. And then once I make it to the final day, I just have to fight the super boss. That's pretty much it. But before I can fight the super boss, I need to go through every single dungeon, which is what I'm doing right now. And I need to fight the new mini bosses for each dungeon. So every time I finish a dungeon, I have to go through it again. And then I also need to get the 100 skill cards, which is kind of excessive. Kinda. I don't really have options right now on what I would want to play. It's literally the one main reason why I'm playing this is because I know this is like kind of time consuming.
Oh, be careful. This one's strong.
Soda!
But no, it definitely has overstayed itself. Nah, I already finished Wilds.